Nestled in the serene city of Taif, a place deeply woven into the rich tapestry of Islamic history, stands the Abdullah ibn Abbas Mosque, a tribute to a revered figure in Islam. Abdullah ibn Abbas, cousin and companion of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. As we step through its welcoming gates, we are not just entering a mosque, but a beacon of Islamic scholarship and legacy. Every archway, every intricate pattern etched into its walls speaks volumes of the Islamic Golden Age. The mosque, with its elegant minarets and domes, is a splendid example of Islamic architecture, harmoniously blending with the spiritual ambience of this sacred city. Here, pilgrims and seekers of knowledge from across the globe gather, united in the quest for spiritual growth and understanding. The mosque's serene atmosphere offers a tranquil refuge for prayer and reflection. The Abdullah ibn Abbas Masjid is not just a place of worship. It houses a rich library, a testament to Ibn Abbas' legacy as a scholar. This library serves as a wellspring of knowledge, housing ancient manuscripts and texts that continue to guide and enlighten. Surrounded by the breathtaking landscape of Taif, known for its lush gardens and fragrant roses, the mosque stands as a spiritual oasis, inviting us to pause and reflect on the profound teachings of Islam and the enduring wisdom of Abdullah ibn Abbas. As our journey here concludes, we carry with us not just memories, but a renewed sense of peace and understanding, inspired by the rich heritage and enduring legacy of this sacred place. The Abdullah ibn Abbas Masjid, a timeless emblem of faith and knowledge, remains in our hearts long after our footsteps have faded away.